everyone, this is 2 tons tap water purification machine, and let's see it and make a brief introduction. This is electric control cabinet. We can see this is touch screen, and you can see everything about this machine when it's working and running station. And this is the indicators, and also for this is the produce water conductivity meter, and also this is the pressure gauge. And for this is the flow meter to see the different stage of the flows. And let's say it, this is the whole machine is for the 2 stage. The first stage, the produced water is 2.5 tons per day per hour, and the second stage is 2 tons per hour. So let's say it. The high pressure pump is most important for the whole machine, and this machine high pressure pump is used below, and if you want it, you can use the CNP, Granforce, and Danforce, and others. And also this material is SS, is not anti-corrosion. And let's see our memory vessel. This is 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 8 pieces of memory vessel with the 20 pieces of the memories. The first stage used the 12 pieces memory, and the second stage used the 8 pieces of memory. So this is the whole machine of our plant. And also this is the first stage security meter, and the material is SS. We can see it. So give more details about the high pressure pump. And also this is the sample valve can make test of any water. You can make a test directly. So this is our whole machine of the 2 tons per day tap water purification machine. And if you have any interested and any inquiries, welcome here. Thank you.
抖音